Hi, I'm Emma, LCA Specialist at Ecochain, and I'm going to show you how you can use folders to organize your workspace in Mobius. As with any workspace, it's really important to keep your Mobius workspace clean and tidy, because otherwise things will get messy and you can't find your things anymore, and this will impair your working. And you can use folders for that, so that's what I'm going to show you. This video is meant for beginning users of Mobius, and I'm going to use the t-shirt demo as an example. First off, what's important to know is that you can use folders in the product and in the object library, and then you're looking for this icon here, the folder icon, and this is the way to add a folder. So you can also see the same icon in the object library here. For lifecycles, this feature is not available, so you can only use it for products and objects. But how does it actually work? So first off, if you want to add a folder, you can click on the add folder icon. I want to make a folder for cotton t-shirts, let's say. So let's create this folder. Now, of course, how are we going to move things into the folder? Well, if you want to move something to a folder, you can click on the three dots and then you click on move to folder. Then all the folders that you have are shown and you can move them here. Now I also want to move this t-shirt. It's also a cotton t-shirt, so I'm going to move it here. So now you see that these products are not in the overview anymore, but they are in the folder. So the overview is a little bit more empty now, and they are tucked away here. If we click on the folder, we also see these products. And you cannot just make one folder, you can actually make multiple folders, and you can even make folders in folders. So let's see what happens if we create another folder in this folder. Let's say that we want a folder for white cotton t-shirts. So now we have a folder in a folder. The way that this works is that if we want to move, for example, this t-shirt cotton white to the white cotton t-shirts folder, we click on move to folder. Now first we only see the cotton t-shirts because the other folder is actually in this folder. If I click on it, you see that the navigation works like, for example, in Windows file navigation or similar things. So when you open a folder, you get to the next folder. That's what we did here, and now we can move our white cotton t-shirts to this white cotton t-shirts folder. Now we have seen how we move things into folders. Of course, sometimes you just want to move something out of a folder again. So how you can do that is by clicking on the three dots again and clicking on move to folder. And if you want to move something back to the overview, you can click on move to overview. Otherwise, you can navigate to the folder that you want to move something to and move it there. So let's move this t-shirt back to the overview. If I decided to things totally differently, then of course I can also delete folders. So let's say that I made this folder, but I actually don't like the structure. I can click on three dots and click on delete folder. This is of course really scary because it could be that now you also lose the products in the folder, but that's not the case. So when you delete a folder, you only delete the actual folder, but not the things that are in it. So let's see, I'm going to press delete now. Now you can see that all the things that were in the cotton t-shirts folder are now just back in the overview. They are not tucked away anymore, but they're still here. So that's why we're seeing the white cotton t-shirts folder now. Finally, what's also important to know is that you can still search for products or things or objects, even if they are tucked away in a folder. So let's say that it could definitely happen, just like it happens in Google Drive sometimes, that you make this document or this product and you don't exactly know anymore where you put it. What you can do, just like in Google Drive, for example, is search for this product. So I'm gonna just, for example, search for the white cotton t-shirts, and here we actually see the white cotton t-shirts that we tucked away in the white cotton t-shirts folder. When you're searching, everything that complies with the search term is going to show up, and not just the things that are in the overview. So you cannot lose your things. This is how you can use folders to organize your workspace. If you have any more questions about this topic, we have a lot of other resources available, so you can check those out. Good luck with making your own LCAs.